How to withdraw on Bitstamp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can make a withdrawal on Bitstamp. Now, the process itself is pretty simple. First things first, what you'll have to know is in order to make a withdrawal or deposit, or in order to trade on Bitstamp, you'll have to first complete your verification. Unfortunately, in my case, I haven't verified, but once you have the verification, you'll be able to use the Bitstamp. Now, however, I'll just be guiding you through. To withdraw your funds to your personal bank account, you'll have to navigate to withdrawal. In order to navigate to withdrawal, now unfortunately in my case it's not here as you can see here, but once you have verified, you'll get a little trade icon at the bottom of your screen in the middle, so you'll have to tap on it and then select withdrawal and head over to withdrawal and choose bank transfer from the left hand menu, and then select the currency and amount and choose a bank account to withdraw funds to. You can also add a new account if necessary. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here, but that's how you can do it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.